Good morning, my friend. Nurse Mary here, helping you on your journey to better health. And today I want to share with you my favorite recipe for power coffee. And this is just a great way to start your day.
My favorite coffee is this bulletproof mold-free coffee, and there's 3 scoops. Then I like to add a pinch of baking soda so the coffee doesn't irritate my tummy. And then I love the prebiotics, again by Bulletproof, and collagen. That's a great source of protein. And then we're going to add some sea salt and 1 drop of cinnamon essential oil. It makes it so amazing. Then I use some Bulletproof MCT oil and dark stevia, dark chocolate stevia, and cinnamon vanilla stevia. Those are my favorites. 1, 2, 3 drops of that, and of course pastured butter. Can't be a power coffee without butter. Pour in the coffee and blend that all together. Now the cool thing about doing a power coffee in the morning is it's keto friendly, so it's low carb. There's actually no carbs, and then you're teaching your body to burn fat instead of carbs. You're also giving yourself a good protein source so you get all the nutrients you need. And that is how easy it is. Look at that beautiful froth on top. And that will tide you over and keep you in a semi-fasting state for the morning.
Until next time, be well.